Attempt to repair, second attempt. Miguel Binetez. Today is 5/2/2024. It's 84 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's our damaged shingle. This is our work area. Okay, let's get some nails out. It's a little bit steep, so bear with me. I gotta see the nails. That one pulled through. They're not overdriven. Almost. No pop. Nope. No pressure on that one either. Gotta go 2 rows up with the nails. And those are gonna pull through. Nothing there. Nothing. You can see they're not overdriven. There's a gap, and they're just really brittle. Anything here? Oh, that one's overdriven for sure. See that? Didn't even get to the nail without it breaking. Okay, so just pop the backs. They're all gonna blow through anyway. Here's our existing shingle. All the nails are pulling through. And you can also see there's material transfer everywhere. The shingles are really too young to be repaired. Dang, where's my shingle? Oh. You see them sliding it in. All the granules are still just falling out. I haven't even started nailing. Okay. Attempt to repair, fail. You can see we got heavy granular loss on this one, 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 this one. This one also nails. You can see right here all the nails, the additional shingles are all going to blow through. And then you can also see there's material transfer on every one of these shingles. So if you separate any of these, none of these shingles are ever going to glue back down. See, look at that. The shingle is not repairable. Attempt to repair. Look at that. Look. That is not repairable. Fail. And as you can see, wind, 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 wind. Can't repair this, man. It's gonna look like a calico cat. Here's our damaged shingle, Mr. Binetez. And you can see this shingle's gonna be a 20-year-old 3-tab. No current shingles are 20-year 3-tabs. They're all 25s. And you can see this is a certainteed 20-year 3-tab, which means it's none other than the infamous CT20 that is not algae resistant and is also not compatible with any current building products.